Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is like a bracelet making kit. So it does come with this elastic little rope that's for making the bracelet. You can make a bracelet, a necklace. It is for Mother's Day. So if your kids want to make, like if you guys want to make your mom a nice bracelet or something, or have your kids make it for like grandma or something, like you and your kids can make it for your mother. This is what they look like. So it comes with all these cool different designs and colors. I'm going to open it this way. I'm going to have my kids build me a bracelet, and then I'm going to build one for my mom. So you can see it has like these little hearts, these little circles. They have a bunch of these, and it says I heart mom. And you can see they have all these different colors. So they're pretty much heart and circles. The hearts come in a lot of different shades, and so do the little I heart mom. This is all the colors that it actually comes with. You can see right there. So super cute, but let's go ahead and see my kids make me a bracelet. So these are my daughters, and as you can see, they're making the bracelets. Okay, so this is the bracelets that my daughters made. Super cute. Look at that. You guys did a great job. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.